As global scrutiny around the Jeffrey Epstein case continues, many names have surfaced, some grounded in fact, others drawn from speculation. The Office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama issued a press statement on 8 February that His Holiness has never met Jeffrey Epstein or authorized any meeting or interaction with him by anyone on His Holiness's behalf. So why was the Dalai Lama's name mentioned at all? A review of the Epstein-related email files shows that His Holiness appears only in a third-party conversation's informal, speculative remarks about possible or aspirational meetings. There is no evidence of direct communication, no confirmed meeting, and no acceptance of any invitation. Some individuals were referenced as potential intermediaries, but the documents clearly show that no meeting ever took place. One of the individuals appearing in the broader Epstein correspondence is Deepak Chopra, a well-known author and public figure who had direct email exchanges with Epstein between 2016 and 2017. In one personal email, Chopra mentions the Dalai Lama in the context of his own spiritual reflections, recounting past philosophical exchanges. In that email, Chopra expresses a dismissive personal opinion, stating that he felt the Dalai Lama knew very little about Tibetan Buddhism, describing him as just a nice guy with a Nobel Prize, and suggesting that global reverence was influenced by his appearance and saffron robes. Crucially, this mention does not involve Epstein, does not suggest coordination, and does not indicate any relationship between the Dalai Lama and Epstein. It reflects Chopra's personal views and experiences, not the actions or involvement of His Holiness. More important, the media must hold the journalistic ethics by verifying the story, not just eyeing for TRPs. Don't really need to represent China's disinformation campaign. In times like these, facts matter. Reputations should be guided by evidence, not implication. His Holiness the Dalai Lama's life and work remain rooted in compassion, ethics, and moral leadership, values that stand firmly apart from controversy and wrongdoing.